What's up, everybody? John Kelly with Live Free CrossFit, and today I wanted to talk about the Dub seminar that we're going to have on July 13th at 11 a.m. We have our normal classes at 9 and 10, and then we're going to have the Dub seminar at 11 a.m. The Dub seminar is going to work on achieving one double under and then putting more than one double under together. Because I've seen a lot of people that can do one in a single, but that's never going to get you to do two in a row. So first you got to learn how to do one, then we'll teach you how to do two. The good thing about this seminar is that it's going to cost you 50 bucks. You're going to learn double unders and you get your own rope. Here we have an RPM rope. These are the ropes that we're going to be giving to everybody who participates. We're going to allow 24 people to participate. That's how many ropes that we're ordering, and we're going to size it for you. Now when you size a rope, you want to make sure it's about at a chest level. All right, when you get better, it can get lower, and when you're not as good, you can do it a little bit higher to give you a little bit more room for air. So you want to make sure it's sized to you. If your rope is not sized to you, then you're never going to be able to learn. You'll also notice that the cable here is a little bit messed up. That's because this rope is 6 years old and it still works great. The handles work great, it just needs a new cable. And the cables, once you get the rope, are only $3 a pop. So as long as you have your handles, it'll pretty much last you forever. So what I wanted to go over today was two common faults that I see with double unders and how you can fix those faults. The first one is that they speed up the rope from behind and not in front. When you speed it up back here, you're not going to be able to get around for 2 revolutions. Just like that. You'll notice that I get the first one, but not the second one. So what you got to do is speed up the rope right before it gets to your feet. So as you jump off the floor, you want to speed up the rope like this. Boom. That will help you learn the timing of your wrists and your jump. The problem that people have with the double under is that they have to do a slow jump with fast wrists. So a lot of times they can't coordinate the two. So you have to practice a single double under first, which looks like this: slow, fast. Just like that. So as I jump, I speed up the rope. Once you get your first double under, I notice people have trouble getting 2 in a row because they land flat on their feet. That's only going to take you so far. It's going to wear you out. It's bad for your shins. So you got to stay on your toes. You'll see my heels never touch the floor. So I stay on my toes the whole time. So 2 things you can do right away to fix your double unders is speed up the rope when it's in front of you, here, and when you're jumping, stay on your toes. If you guys want to learn more about the double under, join us Saturday, July 13th at 11 a.m. We'll be covering the double under. You're going to get your own RPM rope, and it's going to be sized just for you. I'll see you guys then. There's only 24 spots available, so sign up soon. Talk to you later.